Today, industry is changing. In fact, it's currently immersed in its fourth revolution, Industry 4.0. ZDMP is a European-scale project with a goal to establish a digital platform for connected smart factories for achieving excellence in manufacturing through zero-defect processes and products. Industry 4.0 is based in connectivity between the different entities and partners that exchange information in real time. Data sharing provides many advantages, but also great complexity. ZDMP reduces effort by opening opportunities, like process efficiency and product quality through machine learning, data analysis, and automated workflows. ZDMP achieves excellence in manufacturing by establishing a reference digital platform and related applications, so-called ZApps, to reach zero-defect processes and products. By using ZDMP, manufacturers can get detailed information of every process, every product, leading ultimately to a higher quality of the finished product. ZDMP will allow technology providers and software developers to easily build and deploy ZApps to serve the needs of the manufacturing market. In fact, the platform has an application builder that allows the creation of ZApps fully adapted to the specific needs of every partner and industry domain. For example, thanks to artificial intelligence algorithms deployed by ZDMP, it is easy to predict potential defects which affect the quality of the final product even before they take place. The platform analyzes information and makes it possible to optimize settings to reach the highest quality in the final product and optimize production processes to reach higher quantity. ZDMP will validate itself in industrial demonstrators in the fields of automotive, machine tools, electronics, and construction. These will show how enhanced cooperation between companies can avoid and reduce product and process defects along various supply chains. ZDMP is a project involving 30 participating organizations, including users, technology companies, research centers, and universities, and is supported by the European Commission. Do you want to be part of the project? Join us. From 2020, ZDMP will be giving away €3.2 million to participate in our trials. Find out at www.zdmp.eu. ZDMP, your marketplace for Industry 4.0 zero-defect applications.